Compassion is also not about being righteous about anything. And I talk about this one because one of the things that I do, and I'm not proud of it, but I do it because we're all human and we all do these things, is sometimes I'm a bit nasty about people. Or rather, when I see something, I go, oh, why did that person do that? Oh. Or someone lets me down. Oh, they're so flaky. Oh, so, yeah, I'm angry. And it comes out in being a bit unkind about other people's ability to keep to appointments. So I'll come back to the point that's been made there in a second. But with this, one thing you have to realize, and this is the exercise to do in order to get this mindset, is just say that person's let you down. Okay, so someone has let you down and you're thinking, oh, it's deliberate. Oh, they're always so flaky. Oh, it's always me. Oh, the first thing I want you to ask yourself is, have you never let someone down? Have you never at the last minute had to change plans because something's happened? Have you never just not shown up because something's gone on at the last minute or you've just forgotten what day it is? I've done all of those things. So that's the first thing. Someone's let you down. Instead of judging, the affirmation I use, you just go, yeah, just like me, and move on. Stops the anger, stops the stewing about it, helps me move on. They behave like that, just like me. We're not so different, after all, really. Not when it comes to this kind of thing. The other thing to think about when it comes to sort of the just like me is ask yourself, because this stops you taking it personally. Ask yourself, when that person let you down, think about them. What do you think they're doing right now? Do you think they're thinking about you? Or do you think they're thinking about everything that's going on in their life? And chances are, hopefully, you'll think, actually, they're thinking about everything that's going on in their life. The next question then you ask yourself is, on a daily basis, apart from right now, because I've been told to think about that person, how much do I think about that person in the day? Or am I actually thinking about my daily, everyday life? And the answer is, I'm probably most likely thinking about my everyday life. Once you put that all in perspective, that person has not necessarily done it to spite you, or done it deliberately because they wanted to have a go at you, or whatever what you might think it is. Simply, life overtook them, just like you.